Hey, what's going on, fellow investors? Recently I've been looking at stocks and ETFs that aren't so expensive. I have several investments that are getting around to the $300 to $600 range, and I'm like, hey, that's cool. But I wanted to do a video and start actually looking at my own portfolio and maybe finding some investments that were $100 or less, better even $50 or less if I can pull that off. But I said, okay, what kind of stocks do I want? What kind of ETFs do I want? I already have the major tech and the Googles and the Apples and the Nvidias. I have the hotels, the Hilton, the Marriotts, and the Carnivals. What can I get that's a little bit different? And, being that I'm in a finance type of niche here, I say, hey, why not look at a bank or a brokerage? Then I said, well, I got several banks. I have JP Morgan Chase. I have Bank of America. I have a little SoFi, a little Robinhood. So I said, I got to think outside the box. And that's when your boy, thanks to Wall Street Trapper and a reel that he put on a social media platform, and Mommy Trader had mentioned that she actually uses this company, I decided to take a look at Interactive Broker, ticker symbol IBKR. And man, I was impressed. And what I want to do in this video is to show you why I'm impressed and why I've decided to not only add this to one portfolio, but I've added it to two of my portfolios, one being Robinhood and another one being one of my personal portfolios. Hey, welcome to Investing with Rod, everyone. On this channel, we talk about stocks. We talk about crypto. More importantly, we talk about exchange traded funds, which gives people an opportunity to put several stocks under one roof or one umbrella. And we show you my journey on how I take small amounts of money and invest for my financial future and show everyone I'm just an everyday dude. It's not that hard. Anybody can do this. And I wanted to put that out to the people. With all that being said, do your boy a favor. You know the drill. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get this channel to grow so we can get more people involved in investing for their future. Hit that thumbs up button if you get something out of this video and share it out. Tell someone about the channel. Let them know, hey, it's simple. It's not that hard. And we found someone that is showing everyone how to do it. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. All right, let me jump over here into Robinhood and see what's going on. And give me a second here. And we should have it on the screen. There it is. Interactive Brokers, man. Ticker symbol IBKR. You can see it up here. I rarely type it out. I mean, it'll take me a long time. I may forget to spell how to spell interactive, but IBKR, I remember that. And so today, let's look at what it's doing. Before we get into the day, again, sub 100, $68.62. Now, I can afford that entire pie. That's a lot better pie than $600. But again, what if I don't have $68? I'm going to get a slice of that pie, man. I don't know. Is it sweet potato, pecan? I don't know. But your boy is going to get a slice. And let's just say a $5 slice, a $10 slice, or even a $1 slice. As long as I get some type of ownership, I'm cool. And today it is currently up 1.28%. I don't focus on the dollar amount just yet. I look at the percentages, and I'm going to go over the 3 months. What has it done in the last 3 months? Pretty much just like everything else. And I wish I would have been taking advantage of it then. It's down 4.61. Some people will say, well, Rod, this thing is losing money. You're going to see when there's red in the streets, Rod's ready to eat. And I wish I'd have been at the buffet back there, but I ain't going to even front, man. I missed it. But hey, I won't miss it going forward. What is it doing year to date? Year to date, it's a little green, but I'm not going to focus on that because year to date, we're in April, 3 months, 4 months. But hey, that 4 month look better. Year to date look better than the 3 month, up 4.91% right here. Now let's get down to it. What has it done in the last year? Let me click on that, y'all. It's up 100.20%. Basically doubling my money. It's up $34.35. That's when I will start looking at the money. Because if I'm up 100%, how much is it up? How much does it cost? Now, again, I've recently entered. I'll go into Robinhood and invest. I may do it during a video. I may not, depending on how quick I want to do it just to get in the game and I don't forget. And as you can see, I have $5.53 showing everyone proof. I stand by what I say. I didn't put 500. I didn't even put 50. I put $5 in there, probably less than that, $5.50, because I'm only up 3 cents, 0.54%. But this is a long-term hold. I'm not buying this today to sell next month or next quarter. I'm buying this for a while. Now, I do have 0.08 of a share. And let's see what is this company about. I'm not going to read all this, but Interactive Brokers is an investment holding company. I don't have to read anything farther than that. It does custody accounts, service accounts, hedge and mutual funds, ETFs or exchange traded funds. And I'm going to go right down here, and individual investors. All this other stuff you can read on your own. Now, I'm not going to worry about we have over 3,000 employees. It's in Connecticut, whoop, whoop. But founded, the longevity of this company, that's important to me. 1977, man, I was a youngster back then, but hey, we're here now. Now, look at this market cap of what the company's worth. Market capitalization, $116 billion. And it does pay a dividend of 0.47%. Let me look at that real quick. Y'all bear with me, man. I need to see exactly what this is paying. And that way I can let the people know, hey, I'm not trying to do a lot of formal videos. We're just trying to get the info out there, man. And if I have to look on my phone to get it out to y'all, we're going to do it. So now, this does not have an impressive dividend. In March 16, March 13 to be exact, it paid a dividend of 8 cents. So I'm not looking at this as a dividend investment. With it up 100% in the last year, this is pretty much, I'm going to look at it as growth. And I kind of want to see what it's done in the last 5 years when I go back up the screen here. But we're going to scroll down because I always like to look at one thing here. What are the analysts? What are the experts saying? I like this part. Now, out of all the billions of people in the country, they only reached out to 10. I'm not going to totally listen to these 10 people, but I do like what they're saying here. 90% said buy. No one said hold it. 10% said sell it, meaning they think it's reached its peak. Maybe 10% are taking profits since it's up 100%. But at the end of the day, 90% are saying buy this stock. Now, let me go back up here real quick because I want to see, I'm curious, what has it done in the last 5 years? And then I might do max. Yo, last 5 years, tell me this is not a growth stock. It's up $49.96 in the last 5 years, up 267%. Look at this. I mean, it's just been, it look like it's just been climbing a mountain. I mean, it dipped. When did it dip? It dipped February 14th last year, and it went down for about 2 months. But then for the last year, it's just been going. And now it's starting to dip again. So I might be getting in at the right time, because if you look right here, going by the history of this stock, it's getting ready to start that upward trend again. But now, does this mean just because it did it yesteryear, it's going to continue to do that? No. But you best believe I'm going to keep a close eye on this, and I am going to be dollar cost averaging into this stock. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Ticker symbol IBKR, Interactive Brokers. Tell me, have you heard of it? Because really, to be honest, prior to Mommy Trader, I had never heard of it. And she was actually on the channel. We had a conversation. She was a special guest. And then I heard it again from Wall Street Trapper. I'm like, yo, man, it may be something to this. Let me look deeper into it. I wasn't worried about getting another brokerage. I was more concerned about a different, cheaper investment. Hey, do your boy a favor if you haven't done so. Please hit that subscribe button. Tell someone about the channel. Again, I'm just an everyday guy showing you my journey on investing with small amounts of money for my financial future. If you got something out of this, hit that thumbs up. If you're currently investing in anything, ETF, CD, stock, please put it down in the comments. You don't have to say what company or companies. Say yes, stock, yes, ETF, or you can put what you're doing, man. I'm just trying to see how many people are on board with building for their financial future. Hope to see you soon. I will be coming at you, dropping more heat, more fire, more knowledge, more importantly, showing you my journey on investing. And as always, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you. And until the next time, peace, baby.